Breakfast or lunch, you call that one, you see me? Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Everything, ackee and savage and dumpling for breakfast and lunch. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, peeps. I'm there today with some ackee and saltfish. I'm going to show you how to cut up vegetable them. I put in ackee and saltfish. Scallion time, as usual. You know, we got to work already. Because we need scallion time in the pot for the flavour. Yeah, so therefore I'm going to show you everything we use. I want to balance everything because you don't want too much vegetable, too much of one vegetable in the pot. That don't make it too, it's not going to balance. So teach too much seasoned taste. So that definitely add or last the ackee and the savage flavor we want. So you have to balance it. You get me? So red pepper, bell pepper, green one, and red one, hot pepper, onion, all them things there. In it, I'm showing everything I go on. I'm going to prepare from scratch to finish because this video is all about showing you guys how to make ackee and saltfish. You get me? So everything I'm showing piece by piece. I'm not cut out nothing, everything. I'm showing you guys everything over and over. Yeah? See garlic there. And the most important ingredient in ackee and saltfish. And I think majority of most people don't put garlic in the ackee and saltfish because they say they don't want to taste it. But that's the key ingredient that you should add to ackee and saltfish. Any food, garlic and onion, definitely. You see me? Alright, see hot pepper over there. At least one hot pepper you want in it. You don't want the two taste like plain, you know? You want it to have like a... I'm going to peeps there again. Today, ackee and saltfish I make. Ackee and saltfish. And boiled dumpling. So, stay tuned. I'll show you how me make my ackee and saltfish Jamaican style. If you do ackee on the thing, like, share, subscribe, okay? And comment and everything. Alright, peeps? Peace out. See you soon. Go and use some vegetable oil. Take more. Alright, so it's hotter now. I'm going to use vegetable oil now.
But 100% is on my bed someplace.
I'm not on your bed.
You might have to move something.
Okay, and salad and dumpling and potato ready. Tough. Tough. Tried ackee and saltfish with the dumpling. Saltfish balance. See? Ackee and saltfish. And dumpling. Like, sure. If you're a Jamaican, if you like the video, subscribe. You see it? You can see the video now. Subscribe, comment and share it and like. Until next time again, thank you guys for watching.